Hey friends, today is short, sweet, and full of punch. Here are 10 things that take zero talent but will get you 100% respect. Number 1, be on time. We used to have a saying in the Army, it says, early is on time is late. Number 2, work ethic. Bring it every day. Number 3, effort. That extra effort will get you noticed. Number 4, body language. Body language affects how you engage people and how people engage you. Number 5, energy. Energy is my one word for the year. Energy is contagious. People love energy. Number 6, attitude. People are always attracted to a positive attitude. Number 7, passion. Passion shines through on everything you do. Number 8, being coachable. Being coachable means you are going to be a lifelong learner. Number 9, doing extra. That extra mile service will be rewarded again and again and again. And number 10, being prepared. If you are prepared, you are going to show your competency, and it's going to come out loud and clear to whoever you're talking to. So, once again, none of these take talent. Maybe a little practice, maybe some reminders, maybe some sticky notes on the refrigerator. But every single one of these will get you 100% respect all the time. Hey guys, get fired up, have a great weekend, and be distinctive.